I started Remitly after living abroad and seeing how painful, how expensive, how inconvenient it was to send money internationally. I started the company to really disrupt the $500 billion remittance industry. Of the $500 billion that is sent home every year, 8% goes to fees. That 8% is $40 billion. $40 billion earned by people living away from their family, missing their family, is not only taken, but it's taken in a way that is not transparent, and the way that it's delivered back home is inconvenient. It takes the power away from the customer. And the great thing is, because of smartphone growth and mobile phone growth generally, you can give the control and the power to people's fingertips to be able to get more money back in a much more affordable, more transparent way. And we focus so much on building out that product that is very much scalable, that we're really excited to take it into the backyard of our competitors, because we believe that when you put the customer first and you put the product first, that's how you win. Our business, I think, has the opportunity to really transform hundreds of millions of lives around the planet. Our goal, our mission, our vision as a company is to help those hundreds of millions of customers get that money back in a fundamentally better and more convenient way, and that's what motivates me every day. We've got a really underserved market, an opportunity to create a huge amount of value to customers, and so our job is to really serve that customer, to deliver on our promises so they can actually deliver on their promises to their loved ones back home. And we're just getting started.